Hi, I'm Donna and welcome to Budget Friendly Recipes. Today we're going to make very simple and very flavorful Thai coconut chicken soup. It's very simple, as most of my recipes. It's basically chicken. You can use chicken thighs or chicken breast, mushrooms. I have shiitaki mushrooms, but you can use cremini mushrooms or any other mushrooms you like. I just like the texture of that. And coconut milk, lime zest and juice, cilantro, ginger, and some spice. And oh, I have beautiful lemongrass here. Okay. So we are going to cut the chicken thighs to small pieces, like bite-sized pieces. I have 2 chicken thighs. As I said, you can use chicken breast if you like it, but I like chicken thighs and I like to use this one. So 2 pieces probably good for 2 portions. 2-3 portions will be good. Cut it, heat your pan. And I'm not adding any fat, because coconut milk has enough fat and I don't really need to put extra oil or butter. I mean, you can always add a little bit of coconut oil to help it cook, but I don't think it needs more. So while my chicken is cooking, I'm going to slice my shiitake mushrooms. Very simple. Right. You can buy sliced shiitake mushrooms already, so you don't have to do anything. You can just add that to your chicken. But I want to cook chicken for a little bit, maybe about 2 minutes. Give a little caramelization, and then add mushrooms after. So that's plenty. And I have beautiful dried lemongrass here. Usually kind of that smells good. I'm gonna add it to my pot. I like fresh ginger. I use it for tea pretty much every morning. You just grate it and add some hot water. It's really good for you. It wakes you up and it's great for your digestion. So I'm going to add that. And add a little bit of turmeric. Color is like carrot. It looks like ginger. It's kind of in between of ginger and carrot. A very bright color. And it's great anti-inflammatory. So I added mushrooms. And I'm burning my chicken. Hopefully not. Stop. You know why it happened? Because I did not preheat it. I did not preheat my pot. That's why it was cold, and I put chicken. That's why it's stuck on that, but it's okay. So I'm going to add my coconut milk. I like to add use light, reduced fat coconut milk. Still has a flavor, and I just feel like I don't need more fat than it usually has. And if you think that if you need more liquid, you can always add water, but I'm not gonna add anything now. We have to, I'm increasing the temperature to let it boil, and then we'll just simmer it for 5 minutes and it's pretty much done. Okay, it gave all the flavor to our soup. You know, you can add a little bit of carrots to that. I like the color. It's more colorful. And I am going to add a little lime zest. I don't know why I call it lime. Cilantro, our favorite herb. There. And I'm also going to add lime juice, because I like that sour taste in this soup. Sometimes I add water chestnuts, sliced water chestnuts gives nice crunch, or sometimes I add a little bit of corn. That's pretty good too. And there we go. That's ready. See, it doesn't need any more liquid. I think one can of coconut milk was plenty for that. All right, our soup is ready. Oh, that's very pretty. Come on over.
Oh my god, not with this.
Come on over.
No.
She just came back from Thailand actually, and that she inspired me to make this soup. I'm sure you're not gonna eat all this, but and she brought this
In a
cute
new outfit.
little. Oh, this is Sophie. Hi.
Hi.
She brought this
God,
cute
yeah.
little bag with some spices of lemongrass and oh, I should put kaffir lime leaf. That will be really good in that. Damn it.
So can I try the soup now?
Yeah, you can try the soup. So hold on.
Oh my god, this is so good.
Oh, okay. I like that.
I dig it.
I think it's very salty. It's very
No,
salty.
this is salted. It's really good.
Because I did not remember if I put salt during when I was cooking, so I just added at the end.
No, it has perfect amount of salt.
Okay, I'm sure for you, yeah.
I'm gonna take this too.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you so much.
Party. Okay, that was our simple Thai coconut chicken mushroom soup with ginger, lime, cilantro, lemongrass, and turmeric. I hope you enjoyed the episode, and if you like it, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next week.